Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Perfecta Cappuccino Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the water pump, the one that you see right here. This is from 2013. And we also replaced the spouts, and as you can see over here, they were not the best condition. They were also cracked in the middle and it was dripping all over the place. So we replaced those and the water pump of the machine. And that's what we did. So starting with one standard coffee, we're gonna test this machine out. Probably have to stop it manually as this container is not long enough. It's only 2 ounces and we're doing coffee, so it's definitely going to be more than 2 ounces. Infusion and extraction. Well, yes, I was definitely wrong. It's set up for 2 ounces, which is perfect. And as you can see, that was a nice color coming out of the machine. Really good crema forming at the top as well, and just working perfectly fine. However, for this machine, as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one, working excellent. Really great temperature as well, working perfectly fine. Now we do not have the carafe unfortunately, so we'll not be able to do a cappuccino or anything like that, but as you can see, the steam coming out of the hot water one is a nice steady one, really great temperatures, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Perfecta Cappuccino working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.